past few months, we've been living with uncertainty and in isolation. So that's why I feel as an artist and educator, it's important to stimulate imaginations of our students through hands-on projects.
When we are all really confined to our own rooms and places and homes, it makes a lot of difference to students to have the opportunity to come together safely in an environment where they can learn and discuss ideas and develop their work.
So many classes in art can provide this opportunity for the students to be aware, to be engaged, and to be mindful about themselves, about their own well-being as well as their community's well-being. I believe art has so much to offer during this time and seems essential tool for our survival.
I think photography for me, especially the screen and the idea of the image represented in so many different ways, is definitely an inspiration and a provocation to think and imagine my classroom in a new way. And the pandemic has really highlighted these moments in which we really have to examine our own pedagogy, how we teach and how we take opportunity to address every individual student and to accommodate every need the students may have. At Vanderbilt, we serve students who want to take art classes to become artists, but we also serve students who want to become doctors. I think that's the beauty of interdisciplinary environment and liberal arts environment, that our students have the opportunity to learn.
It centers me, which is really funny because we're trying to center things on the wheel right now, but it centers me to know that my community is greater than just the couch in my living room. My community is all around me, and it's growing. I get to see people, and we're all from different majors, and I don't get that in any other class that's not in person. So having this twice a week reminds me that we are all students going to a university together. We're not all just little squares on a screen.